Okay, so I want to show you exactly how you can use the templates that I've provided here and be able to create these artifacts for yourself. And I'm going to model this just like I would if I were using one of these. So I'm going to do the companion guide. And basically, I have a tutorial that I taught, and I'm going to make a companion guide to go with it. So if you're curious and you want to see what the companion guide looks like, you could click here and you can see the example. Now, there's a couple of ways then that you can utilize this. You could say customize, or you can come back in here and say download the companion guide. I'm just going to click download the companion guide. This is in our school community for the artifact challenge. Now it's downloaded. And then I'm going to head over to Claude. And I'm going to actually go into my projects and I'm going to search for my business. And then in my project, and I'm going to say, I am going to give you a sample artifact. And I want you to take the transcript from a recent video that I did and create this guide to accompany it. Okay, so let me grab the transcript. I'm going to say, please link the tool, Anna, the analyzer here for users to grab. So I added my affiliate link. I'm going to simply now grab the download for the companion guide and put it here. And then it may come back and ask me a few questions, but it's reading the companion guide that I gave it, learning about the format and style. Okay, so the magic came back, and here is what it looks like. Now, one thing that I'm going to do is actually add this video that I have right here, and I'm going to tell Claude to add that. So please add this video on the first page below the hand raising post. You'll also notice that right here, I have trained my Claude whenever it creates an artifact to add this little bonus tagline. So it does two things. I'm not only providing this free guide for people, but I'm encouraging them to join our group. Okay, so what I did is I just had a conversation with Claude and asked it to add the link, the YouTube here. And so now this is a document that is interactive and it's ready to share. So what I'm going to do is come over to this dropdown, and the first time you come here, you could say publish artifact. And here is the link now that I can share with people to say, if you want to check this out, it is. There's also an embed code, so you could put it on your website. You could share it in a YouTube video. You can also download this, and it will be in this file format if you want to share it with people. And you're set and ready to go.